Hello friends, we are going to talk on crystal field stabilization energy. The crystal field stabilization energy means the decrease in energy of energy of transition metal ion in an environment effects. That is the crystal field effects. Here, the decreasing energy of transition metal ions. That means in octahedral complexes, the splitting of d orbitals into T2s and EG orbitals. Here, the energy of EG orbital is more stabilized as compared to EG orbitals. That is, the energy of T2s orbital is lower energy as compared to EG orbitals, and therefore you know that the electrons are preferred to first occupy in the lower energy of the orbitals. According to above principle, Pauli's exclusion and Hund's rule, the electrons are singly occupied in lower energy of the T2s orbitals. For example, the electrons are singly occupied in lower energy of the T2s orbitals. Then, for example, the D4 case electronic configuration. Here, the splitting of d orbitals in T2g and EG orbitals. This is the D4 electronic configuration. The first electron occupied in T2s orbitals, second electrons in second orbitals, and third electrons in T2g orbitals, and fourth electrons may be T2g or EG orbitals. This is the according to Pauli's exclusion principle. This is the Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion principle. But second case, this is the first case, and this is second case. The electrons occupied in T2g and EG orbitals is for D4 case. These three electrons are occupied in T2g orbitals. This is one as singly degenerate orbital, singly orbitals, or singly occupied in T2g orbitals. The fourth electrons are paired to the first electrons of T2g orbitals. This is the first electron and this is the fourth electron. And therefore, this is the second case of electron configuration. That means in this case, it cannot apply the Pauli's exclusion principle. In this case, here electron configuration is T2g3 and EG1. Here electron configuration T2g4 and EG0. This is the difference between the electron configuration. For the D4 electron configuration, this is to apply the Pauli's exclusion principle, Hund's rule, maximum spin multiplicity, and here it cannot apply the Pauli's exclusion principle, and therefore the electron configuration is T2g4 and EG0. From this, what is meant by crystal field stabilization energy means decreasing energy of transition metal, means d orbitals. d orbitals. The energy of d orbitals with environment effects. Environment effect means nature of ligands. Nature of ligands. Okay. According to spectrochemical series of ligands, there are two types of ligands. One is the weak field ligands and another is the strong field ligands. What is meant by weak field ligands? The weak field ligand means these ligands are pure sigma donor as well as pi donor type of ligands, and strong field ligands weak sigma donor and strong pi acceptor ligands. These are the nature of ligands. What is meant by weak field ligands and what is meant by strong field ligands. And then next point is the crystal field stabilization energy. Yeah. This crystal field stabilization energy depends upon the crystal field splitting delta O and pairing energy. This is known as the possibilities of the crystal field splitting energy is that electron configuration is depends upon the what is the crystal field splitting parameter and what is the pairing energy. The crystal field splitting parameter means difference in energy between lower energy orbitals of T2s and higher energy orbitals of EG orbitals in octahedral complexes. Okay. In octahedral complexes, lower orbital is T2G and higher orbital is, that is above the barycenter level, this is known as the EG orbitals. Okay. Then the pairing energy. The pairing energy means the energy is required to pair the electrons in lower energy of orbitals. That means how much energy is required to pair the pair of electrons in the lower energy of orbitals is known as the pairing energy. And this pairing energy is mostly related to the electrostatic repulsion. Electrostatic repulsion between or among the d orbitals. Among the d orbitals. The d orbitals means, for example, electrostatic repulsion. This is the 5d orbitals 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is dxy, dxz, dyz, d x square minus y square and dz square orbitals. The first 3 orbital is known as the T2g orbitals and last 2 orbital is known as the EG orbitals. For example, d4 electronic configuration. This is the first, second, third, fourth. Okay. And d5 electron configuration. If d5 electron configuration, 5 d6 electron configuration. The sixth electron is paired to the first electron, and this is known as the electrostatic repulsion. Electrostatic repulsion. If 7th electron configuration, 7th electron is paired to the second electron, pairing to the second electron, and therefore this is known as the electrostatic repulsion. Electrostatic repulsion. The pairing energy means how much energy is required to pair of electrons in the lower energy of orbitals, and this pairing energy is related to the electrostatic repulsion. Electrostatic repulsion means the electrons are paired to each other. These two electrons are paired to each other and then to form a electrostatic repulsion. And therefore, these two factors are very important in the crystal field stabilization energy. The one factor is the crystal field splitting parameter, that is delta O or 10 Q value. Second factor is the pairing energy. The how much amount of energy is required to pair of electrons of lower energy of the orbitals. And from this configuration, the crystal field stabilization energy is for the d1 electron configuration. Okay. Yeah, crystal field stabilization for d1. Here, this is the T2G orbital and this is known as the EG, barycenter level. Barycenter level. Here, the energy of d orbitals and d1 electronic configuration is first electron occupied in T2G orbitals. Okay, and therefore the crystal field stabilization energy is equal to this T2G orbital. It is represented by minus 0.4 and 0.6 delta O. This is the delta O value, delta O, minus 0.4 and 0.6 delta O for the EG orbitals. That means the EG is represented by 0.6 and T2G is represented by minus 0.4 delta O. This is delta O value. The crystal field stabilization energy is this crystal field splitting parameter minus 0.4 and number of electrons in T2G orbitals means minus 0.4 into T2G M or X plus 0.6 into EG Y. Here Ex means number of electrons. Number of electrons in T2G orbital. And Y means number of electrons in EG orbital. EG orbitals. This is the equation for the calculation of crystal field stabilization energy. Minus 0.4 into T2G X. X means number of electrons occupied in T2G orbitals. How many electrons presented or occupied in T2G orbitals, and plus 0.6 into EG orbitals raised to Y. Y means number of electrons occupied in EG orbitals. This is known as the crystal field stabilization energy. And this equation is modified. The equation is modified into is CF into 0.4 into T2G X minus 0.6 into EG. This is the 0.4 into T2GX and minus 0.6 EG Y. Here but generally we use this equation for the crystal field stabilization energy for the calculation of crystal field stabilization energy, and therefore the CFC is equal to minus 0.4 into E to G number of electrons 1 plus 0.6 into EG. EG means number of electrons 0, and therefore minus 0.4 into 1 plus 0, and therefore minus 0.4 delta 1, minus 0.4 delta 1, and this is known as the crystal field stabilization energy. This is known as the crystal field stabilization energy. Okay, one more example.